Countless videos show the aftermath of a UPS plane crash out of the Louisville airport. The death toll rising this afternoon to 11 people, and that includes a young child. Investigators say they found the black box recorders, that from an NTSB briefing here in the last couple of hours.
But the NTSB officials also talking about that black box did suffer some severe burns, and as we can imagine, because we have seen that plume of smoke and fire burning for hours into the night and still having some hot spots. So we're gonna get an update on that black box as well.
Emergency officials saying that they have shifted the operation now from a search and rescue to a search and recovery. And in the last hour in the briefing from Governor Andy Beshear, he said he expected the death toll to rise, but he did not expect first responders to find anyone else out there in the wreckage alive.
He described the scene after touring that debris field in one word, and he called it violent. So many officials just in shock of what they saw today.
Well, we know UofL Health treated more than a dozen patients who were injured in the crash. WDRB's Hayden Ristevsky brings us the latest update on those injuries and their conditions. Hayden.
Gilberton found those patients were treated at several hospitals. Most of them have since been released, so that is a little bit of good news tonight. UofL Health confirmed it treated 15 patients in total. 13 have been released. 2 patients are still in critical condition and in the ICU. Dr. Jason Smith gave us an update on the types of injuries that his staff has been treating.
We've seen burns, obviously, based upon the fire, and we've seen those from being very severe to minor. We've seen blast injuries from the explosion itself. We've also seen some shrapnel injuries where flying pieces of debris have hit either bystanders or people in relatively close proximity to the accident when it occurred.
Doctors also treated some people whose medical conditions were exacerbated by that thick smoke in the air for much of the evening last night. First responders are still actively searching that site for any bodies or additional victims that may be discovered. But again, as Gilbert said, the governor saying today they are not expecting to find anyone else alive at this time. We are told there is a very, very large debris field out there, and crews will need to search under debris as well. Hayden Ristevsky, WDRB News.